and welcome to another SatNav Systems video. Today we have Volkswagen ID.4 and we installed original Volkswagen reversing camera into this vehicle. So I'm just going to demonstrate how it operates, but before we go and start doing that, let me show you how it looks first installed in the boot at the back. Just follow me. If we have a look here, this is the normally when a lot of reversing camera badges go into, like for example an ID3, it goes in here. However, on the ID4 vehicle, it is installed here in the grip. So if I touch that, it opens the tailgate, and as you can see, the camera is installed here next to the lights for the registration plate, and that's how the original camera is mounted in the vehicle. Right, let's just go back and I'll show you now how it operates. So if we I just have to start the car. Obviously you cannot hear if you've got the engine running or not because it's all electric. Now the vehicle is ready, so let me show you how it comes up on the screen. So we select the reverse gear here. So I select reverse, and you can see it comes up straight away, and it's the camera here, and it's the high camera, so it comes up with guidelines that move with the steering wheel. As you can see, I'm moving the steering wheel and it moves. Also, it shows the parking sensors, the optical parking sensors. This vehicle came fitted with the optical parking sensors. We've added the camera, and that together works. As you can see, you've got two views as well. If I select this one here now, it's like a fish eye view. It's good if you've got a tow bar, or it's got like a wide angle view, or you can just go to the standard view. Oh, sorry, press the wrong button, and so you can see, you can press the standard view now, and you can see the standard view with the guidelines again. So yes, as usual, this comes fully installed to the factory specification, and as always with 3 years warranty. For more information, just get in touch with us using our contact page on our website. Link will be provided here in the video, or just email us info@satnavsystems.com. Thank you.